Hey cuties! So today I am going to be trying, everyone's asking me to try this, the Kraft Dinner or mac and cheese. Okay, I think, Kate, in Canada, this is what it looks like. And then in the United States, this is what it looks like. Essentially, they're the same thing. So in Canada, we call this Kraft Dinner. I think you guys just call it, in the States, macaroni and cheese. It's by Kraft though. Why are Canadians calling this Kraft Dinner? Why is it? I'm so confused. It's macaroni and cheese, okay? Anyway, that's just it. That's what it is. It is what it is. But they recently came out with flavor boosters. So you make your macaroni and cheese like normal. And then there's these flavor packets. So we're going to go see if my Walmart has them and which ones they have. And we're going to grab it and make it. Because I always do taste tests where like I just eat, like rip open the back and just eat it and spit it out. But we are actually going to go try it and make it. Okay, I'm gonna make 3 pots of Kraft Dinner macaroni and cheese. First of all, let's go to the store and get it, and then we're gonna go make it. Let's go. Okay, let's grab one of each. 2 pots going. Yay! So I got 1, 2, 3 Kraft Dinner. Kraft Dinner. Now, cheesier. My jokes be like. I got these at Walmart, by the way. Walmart special. And these were only 97 cents. These flavor boosts. So this is what we got. So we have butter chicken, jalapeno, and cotton candy. I just realized I could have probably just put all of the macaroni into one pot. Welcome to my channel. One's boiling. Not really, no it's not. Like, what? One's fuzzing. It's just a little fuzzy. Honestly, the air fryer in the back is looking down bad. It's looking fine. I want to air fry something. Salt. Your water. Chef with an S. What? Seth chef? This sound to me is like iconic to my childhood. Anywhere I am at, if I hear that. I think we add this as well, right? Yes, we do, because those are just like flavor boosts. So, woo! Make sure your water's boiling and salted before you go putting any pasta in. You know, don't get Gordon Ramsay's mean energy onto you and yelling at you from afar. Just do it. I'm so excited to try the cotton candy one. I keep calling it bubblegum in my head. Oh. That's boiling. Yay! Now I'm gonna stir these and I'll be back when they're tender. My hair almost, I feel like my cat hair is gonna catch on fire. It's done. It's done. Oh, I can't wait. I almost dropped it. You know what that sounds like? Macaroni and cheese. Okay? What else does it sound like? Macaroni and cheese, that's what it sounds like. I think I'm funny and I'm not, like, at all. Oh, the big mother. The big one. Oh. Ew. What is this film? Oh, delicious. Milk. Yes. Because it's just a flavor boost, right? It's not a, you don't, wait. I'm doing it right, I'm doing it right. I read the directions. Butter. I never measure the butter, because why measure butter? Butter's for our souls. This makes me happy. This is chaotic. We are here for this chaoticness. I have all this going on. I need to separate half of this into here. We are ready to go. I am so scared. Okay, everyone, what should we do first? Butter chicken? I agree. Butter chicken. Yum. Oh my God, it smells like butter chicken. It literally does. I'm like, I know that smell. I'm like, yeah, because it's butter chicken. Okay, we did it. We just went for it. Butter chicken mac and cheese. Alrighty, this smells heavenly and it looks good. And you know what? They don't skimp out on the powder either. It looks so spicy and flavorful. And now I love butter chicken, so this better taste like it. It smells like exactly like butter chicken. I'm actually shocked. People always come up with different things and it's like, it kind of smells like it. That smells like butter chicken. Like, I'm excited. We're doing the cotton candy one. Now, we're doing the cotton candy one. I'm scared of this one. Cotton candy and cheese, my favorite. Oh, yum! But to add it to cheese, oh, that smells so good. Ready? She's purple, but when we learned from science class, purple and orange make pink. gosh, look at this. It smells like cotton candy, which is very weird. It's turning this fuchsia-y color. This is gonna be very exciting to eat. Okay, there we go. This one, it has no resemblance of cotton candy smell at all anymore. It just smells like a little, like it smells like sugary mac and cheese now. The cotton candy flavor is gone. Let's go to the last one. Jalapeno. Let's go. Whoa. That's what this one looks like. Ooh, that's strong smelling. Okay. Woo, she's spicy. It smells really spicy. It smells like jalapeno. The trifecta. Butter chicken, cotton candy, and jalapeno. Okay, last one. They actually look quite aesthetically pleasing, don't you think? All in a row right here. This is the order I'm gonna try them in. So here we go, taste this. Why am I nervous? Clean fork. First up, butter chicken. Wow, that is very, very strong. Very, very strong spices indeed. It does taste like butter chicken. It has that kick that butter chicken should have, you know, that like spice kick, because it's obviously a bunch of spices. Ooh, I like this. Okay. Like if you're bored of plain old mac and cheese or Kraft dinner, okay, this one, like a 9 out of 10. I would buy this again. If I don't want to have butter chicken and I still want Kraft dinner, like I feel like this is the best of both worlds, you know, meshed into one, because I love butter chicken. It does have a kick to it too. I was really worried it was just gonna be, hold on, palate cleanse. Very subtle tasting, you know, like just like a hint of butter chicken, but no, when they say flavor boost, they mean flavor boost. Wait, did they actually say flavor boost? Yeah, the boost. Next up, we have jalapeno. There's a little flex in there. Let's take a good healthy dose. Okay, yum. And it has the jalapeno flavor, not just the spice. There's a difference. Because I feel like sometimes when you use jalapeno, you can just get the spice of it. But jalapeno has a really beautiful, it does have a spice too. Oh my God. This one, yum. The specks in there are kind of a little crunchy. Okay, boosting my Katie. I like the butter chicken one better. I'd say that one is kind of like average. It's just like spicy mac and cheese. It's not like that riveting to me. I would probably just like cut up jalapenos and put them in my mac and cheese. If you are sensitive to spice, I would probably suggest to not go for that one. My mom would probably think that one was super spicy. So bracing myself here for this cotton candy one. I feel like this one has to be just like a novelty, because who's just gonna be like, cotton candy? Me? I'm scared of this one. Okay, ready? Me? Is it gonna be spicy like the rest of them? Okay, either both of those spicy ones blew out all the taste buds in my mouth, or I can't taste cotton candy. I just taste sweet. No, absolutely not. I'm feeding you cotton candy mac and cheese for supper. Like I don't taste any kind of cotton candy or even kind of candy flavor. It just tastes like how it smells, like sugary mac and cheese. I would say this one's like a 0 out of 10. Like I don't know why you would want sugary mac and cheese unless you're like that girl who like only eats pink food. Maybe you're her. Or maybe like you just want it for the novelty, or maybe like kids are like, I want cotton candy mac and cheese. I feel like these are the only reasons why you would eat this. This is like, doesn't taste like cotton candy. I'm bored of that one. I want more of the butter chicken one. I'm definitely gonna buy the butter chicken one again. That's one I would repurchase out of them all. I probably wouldn't buy the jalapeno one, but I'd give the jalapeno one probably like a 7 out of 10. This one's 0, like a 1. 1 because it's cute, because it's pink, but that's it. Let me know what you guys thought if you tried any of these. There's also more flavors like ghost pepper and I think hot wings or something like that. There's more flavors, so let me know what you guys thought of them all. So that was my taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys will have a wonderful day, and wherever you guys want me to try next, let me know, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye.